Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I built this Anna White nightstand. I know it's been like a year and I know I have completely different hair. It was not that hard to build. I had to learn a lot of new skills though, which I appreciate. I'm actually very good with a drill now, so kind of a big deal. This nightstand is nice. It has a shelf and a dead fly inside. What have I been up to in quarantine? This. I also started a boutique online, a clothing boutique. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below. So yeah, let's get into it. Was I supposed to do that one? Well, I made a hole. Who knows if it's right? Dude, open. This is probably all wrong. Who knows? Where's the drill? It's sturdy. So here's the nightstands. This one won't stay shut. The magnet thing doesn't really work. I didn't put it on this one. I did put a magnet here. I don't feel like it works. Oh, hi. Is it a video if I don't have a cat in it? Okay, is this your home now? Bye. So yeah, when I put the shelf in there, the door wouldn't shut. It was like hitting this inside panel. We're gonna have to take some off of the shelf. But yeah, overall, really happy. I love using that paint sprayer, the Home Right Finish Max, I think that's what it's called. Such a good finish. I got my phone out so we can look at the finish. Like, ooh! If you'd like to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe. Or don't. You can do whatever you want. Mother fly. Oh, but let's get to this build. I can't say ass. Man, so gotta go.